Wrinkles are a natural part of growing old and everyone will get them if they live long enough. However, some people develop wrinkles much earlier in life than others. If you're concerned about the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, then this video is for you. Today we will be discussing how to reduce wrinkles with 6 anti-aging herbs. Let's get started. We include products in this video because of their potential benefits for reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Before using any of them, it's important to do a patch test on your skin to check for allergies or reactions. 1. Rosemary. Rosemary is a fragrant evergreen herb that has been used for centuries for its pleasant smell and various health benefits. This herb is rich in antioxidants and can help fight free radicals that cause cell damage and aging. A study published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine showed that rosemary extract was effective as retinol in reducing wrinkles when applied to the skin. Retinol is a popular anti-aging ingredient that is known to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The study suggests that rosemary extract may be a promising alternative to retinol for those looking to improve the appearance of their skin. Another study conducted by the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases showed that massaging rosemary oil into the skin could improve blood circulation, which could potentially help nourish the skin and promote a youthful appearance. Additionally, rosemary has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe irritated skin and reduce redness. This makes it a great option for those with sensitive skin who want to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. When using rosemary to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, it is important to use a carrier oil such as jojoba or coconut oil to dilute the essential oil. You can also add a few drops of vitamin E oil to your rosemary mixture to help nourish and moisturize your skin. Here are some ways to use rosemary to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Add a few drops of rosemary essential oil to a carrier oil such as jojoba or coconut oil and massage it into your skin. Use rosemary tea bags as a compress to soothe and hydrate your skin. Steep a few fresh or dried rosemary leaves in hot water for 10 minutes. Then cool and apply the compress to your face for 10 to 15 minutes. You can also infuse your moisturizer with rosemary by adding a few drops of rosemary essential oil to your daily moisturizer. 2. Lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil is extracted from the lavender plant and has a calming and relaxing scent. It is commonly used in aromatherapy to promote relaxation and reduce stress. But did you know that it can also help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles? A study published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology showed that lavender essential oil was effective in reducing the depth of wrinkles when applied to the skin. The study suggests that the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of lavender essential oil may be responsible for its wrinkle-reducing effects. Additionally, lavender essential oil is a natural antiseptic, which means it can help kill bacteria and prevent infections. This can be especially beneficial for those with acne-prone skin, who are also looking to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. When using lavender essential oil to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, it is important to dilute it with a carrier oil such as jojoba or almond oil. You can also add a few drops of lavender essential oil to your moisturizer or serum for an added anti-aging boost. Here are some ways to use lavender essential oil to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Add a few drops of lavender essential oil to a carrier oil such as jojoba or almond oil and massage it into your skin. Use lavender essential oil in a humidifier to add moisture to the air and promote healthy skin. You can also add a few drops of lavender essential oil to your bath water for a relaxing and rejuvenating experience. 3. Hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring substance in the body that helps to retain moisture and keep skin hydrated. As we age, our hyaluronic acid levels decline, leading to dry, wrinkled skin. Fortunately, hyaluronic acid is available as a supplement and can be applied topically to the skin to help improve its appearance. Several studies have shown that applying hyaluronic acid to the skin can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. For example, a study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that applying a hyaluronic acid serum to the face for 4 weeks led to a significant reduction in the severity of wrinkles. Another study published in the journal Skin Pharmacology and Physiology found that hyaluronic acid was effective at improving skin hydration and elasticity, which can help plump up the skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. When using hyaluronic acid to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, it is important to choose a product that is right for your skin type. Hyaluronic acid is available in a variety of forms, including serums, moisturizers, and injectables. Serums are lightweight and highly concentrated, making them a great option for those with oily or acne-prone skin. Moisturizers are thicker and more creamy, making them a better choice for those with dry or sensitive skin. Injectables are used to add volume to the skin and can help fill in fine lines and wrinkles. However, they are more expensive and require multiple treatments. Here are some tips for using hyaluronic acid to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Apply a hyaluronic acid serum to your face in the morning and evening. Use a gentle upward motion to massage the serum into your skin. Follow up with a moisturizer to seal in the hydration. Avoid using harsh scrubs or exfoliants as they can damage the skin barrier and reduce the effectiveness of hyaluronic acid. Number 4. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a succulent plant that has been used for centuries for its healing and soothing properties. It is commonly used to treat sunburns and other skin irritations. But did you know that it can also help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles? A study published in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science found that aloe vera gel applied to the skin could improve its elasticity and reduce the depth of wrinkles. The study suggests that the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of aloe vera may be responsible for its wrinkle-reducing effects. Additionally, aloe vera is a natural humectant, which means it can help keep the skin hydrated and prevent moisture loss. This can be especially beneficial for those with dry or dehydrated skin who are looking to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. When using aloe vera to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, it is important to choose a product that is pure and free of additives or preservatives. You can use aloe vera gel directly from an aloe vera plant or purchase a product that contains aloe vera extract. Here are some ways to use aloe vera to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Apply aloe vera gel to your face in the morning and evening to deeply hydrate your skin. Use aloe vera as a soothing after-sun treatment to repair and rejuvenate your skin. You can also use aloe vera in a face mask to nourish and revitalize your skin. No. 5. Green tea. Green tea is a type of tea that is made from unprocessed leaves and is known for its distinct bitter taste and vibrant green color. It is commonly consumed for its potential health benefits, including improved brain function, heart health, and weight loss. But did you know that green tea can also help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles? A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that green tea polyphenols could protect the skin from oxidative damage and reduce the depth of wrinkles. The study suggests that the antioxidant properties of green tea may be responsible for its wrinkle-reducing effects. Additionally, green tea can help improve skin tone and texture by reducing inflammation and promoting collagen production. This can help give the skin a more youthful appearance. When using green tea to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, it is important to choose a product that is pure and free of additives or preservatives. You can use green tea bags as a compress to soothe and hydrate your skin, or you can find skincare products that contain green tea extract. Here are some ways to use green tea to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Soak a green tea bag in warm water for 10 minutes. Then cool and apply the compress to your face for 10 to 15 minutes. Use green tea as a toner by applying it to a cotton pad and swiping it across your face. You can also add green tea to your moisturizer or serum for an added anti-aging boost. 6. Grapeseed extract. Grapeseed extract is an antioxidant-rich substance that is extracted from the seeds of grapes. It is commonly used in skincare products for its potential anti-aging and anti-wrinkle properties. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that grapeseed extract could protect the skin from oxidative damage and reduce the depth of wrinkles. The study suggests that the high concentration of antioxidants in grapeseed extract may be responsible for its wrinkle-reducing effects. Additionally, grapeseed extract can help improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. When using grapeseed extract to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, it is important to choose a product that is pure and free of additives or preservatives. You can find grapeseed extract in a variety of skincare products, including serums, moisturizers, and eye creams. Here are some ways to use grapeseed extract to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Apply a serum containing grapeseed extract to your face in the morning and evening. Use a moisturizer with grapeseed extract as part of your daily skincare routine. You can also use an eye cream that contains grapeseed extract to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time.